You ready? Okay, hang on, hang on. Let's cover the eyes. Okay, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where is it? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Can you lift it? There it is! Yay! Yay! May I have it? Thank you. All right, ready? Okay, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? It's not in that one. Nope, not in that one. Where is it? Where is it? Nope, it's not in that one. Where is it? Where is it? You see how she sticks her finger in there and she'll... There it is. Can you get it? Can you get it? Pick it up. We'll pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Come on, pick it up. Pick up the thing. Can I have the ball, please? Can I have the ball? Pick it up. Get it. May I have the ball, please? What are you doing? Yay! There it is. May I have the ball? May I have the ball, please? Riley, may I have the ball? May I have the ball? May I have it? Thank you. Let's try one more time. All right. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Yay! Can you hand it to me? May I have the ball? May I have the ball? May I have the ball? Thank you. Would you like the ball? And put it under there? Let's see if you'll do your letters.
Good job, Riley.
Okay. Look, Riley. Where's the A? Where's the A? Where's the A? Where's A? There's A. Good girl. Yay.
Ask her B.
Where's B? And she's already going for that one. Where's B? Yay. There's B. Where's A? Where's A? Can you hand me the A? Riley, can you hand me the A? That's B. Where's A? Where's A? Where's A? There's A. Can I have the A? Can I have the A? Riley, can I have the A? Can I have the A? Where is it? Where's the A? Riley, where's the A? Where are you going? I don't want that one. That's B. Where's A? Where's A? That's C. What is it? That's E. I don't want E. Where's A? Where's A? Where's A? Where's A? That's B. Where's A? No, where's A? Riley, where's A? At least turn around. Your ignorance sickens me. That's not an A.